Guys, I gotta tell you guys something. I'm gonna tell you guys something. This is actually hilarious. So, I'm back. Thank you for waiting. So, do you guys remember when I stopped by at the day before yesterday? I stopped by at this like place to like eat something, watermelon. I was stopping in the middle of the road, like sidewalk where it's safe. But yeah, like at night, I was like really tired. I was sitting down. I was eating some food, watermelon, and then changing my battery. Yeah. Anyway, change my battery. But and then after I arrived to the hotel after the stream, I was like trying to find, like, I was charging all my stuff. I usually have 2 Netgear. There's for internet to change the battery and stuff. And then I could only find one. So after stream, Clark picked me up and then dropped me off at the hotel, you know, because there's no Uber here. So like, and then I was like, I couldn't find it. So I asked Clark, my time on mod, I was like, yo, do you see like my Netgear by any chance? Clark was like, no, I don't see any. So I was like, oh man, that's really, really bad, because it's not only expensive, but also it's like, it's just like, it's very big loss. So I was like, what am I gonna do? And then I was like, I think Clark was like, where do you think you put it? So I was like, I don't know. There's no way I left it in the middle of the road. And then Clark, being so nice, he went to the place where I was sitting down. I said it's okay because I didn't believe that there would be my Netgear. I was like, there's no way I left it there. There's gotta be like in one of the bags. But Clark went anyway, and then Clark has been being so helpful, like so helpful. It would have been so difficult, like, you know, without him being here, because like there's not much of Uber here. It would have been like so difficult. But thankfully, Clark has been helping me a lot. Thank you, Clark. Yeah. So anyway, he went to the place where I was sitting down and found this. Just casually left it there. I know, what the hell? With my makeup, just casually left it there. Yeah.
拜拜。我还在等火车，因为火车还没有到，等很久了。拜拜。拜拜。期待通宵，加油！
谢谢。